My name is Karen Wagner. I'm the manager of the Habitat for Humanity Lima Area Restore, and on behalf of our board of directors and on my entire staff, welcome.
Hi, I'm Jim. I'm also the Restore Assistant Manager. Thank you for taking the time to work and volunteer at our facility. Over the course of the next few minutes, you'll be taken through our company's emergency action plan. This information is also available in a book kept at our front register of our facility. This will inform you of what to do in case of an emergency in our building. And at the end of this presentation, you'll be asked to take 10-question true or false test on the material that you have just seen. So welcome, and let's get started. Everyone that comes into our facility to work or volunteer must sign in and out and be taken through our emergency action training. With any emergency, always be aware of your surroundings and assess the situation before you take the initiative to help in any way. Before you start work, you need to take the time to tour the facility, familiarize yourself with the emergency exits and the locations of the fire extinguishers. If there would be a fire in our facility, you may be asked to help clear the floor. And if you're not comfortable with doing this, please just say so and calmly exit the building and proceed to Meeting Point A. Meeting Point A is the northeast corner of Elm and Metcalf Street. In case the wind and heat would make it impossible to stay at Meeting Point A, we then would move to Meeting Point B, which is in the back parking lot of the building that borders up to Spring Street. We would also ask that no volunteers, staff, or customers leave these points until we have a head count and have an all clear from the fire department.
Hi, I'm Benji. I'm one of the assistant managers here at the Restore. With any emergency, please notify a member of management. They are responsible for initiating the 911 system. In case of a medical emergency, again, please notify management, but we ask that you do not perform any first aid or CPR unless you have been trained. Also, please be careful if blood is involved. With any emergency, please remain calm. We do not want to incite panic in our facility. So please don't run wildly through the building shouting, "We're about to die!" It's just not helpful. Our severe weather location is the back hallway on the other side of the prep room shower bay. This is also why it's important that you tour the facility before you start work to familiarize yourself with this location. Here at the Restore, we don't have many hazardous chemicals. However, if you would encounter a chemical spill or smell natural gas, we would need to evacuate the building. We will follow the same evacuation procedures for a fire emergency.
If anyone would attempt to rob or harm a person in our facility, please do not wrestle or argue with them. Meet their demands if possible to do so, and notify management as soon as possible. If there would be a domestic dispute or argument at our facility that would cause our customers to feel unsafe, we ask our customer to move out of the area, and we will call 911. MSDS stands for Material Safety Data Sheet. Per OSHA regulations, our MSDS book is located at the end of the testing bench in the prep room. This book informs of all chemicals used in our facility and makes you aware of any hazards that may be associated with that chemical. It also informs you on how to administer first aid if you were to come into contact or ingest any of these chemicals. We do not have a PA system in our store. The way we enunciate an emergency in our facility is calmly by word of mouth. Thanks again for taking the time to volunteer or work here at the Restore. Remember, the work that goes on here builds a better tomorrow for someone in need.